Freezing is the process where a liquid changes into a solid. Freezing happens when an object loses its heat, so it's being cooled down. This causes the particles in the liquid to form tighter bonds, which we know make a solid. Now, every liquid has a freezing point at which freezing happens. One example of freezing is when water turns into ice. Now, the freezing point for water is 0 degrees. So water turns into ice at 0 degrees. But different liquids have different freezing points. Now, freezing is a reversible process, and the opposite of freezing is melting. So we know that different liquids freeze at different temperatures, or they have different freezing points. But why? Because different liquids have different levels of viscosity. Now that just means how thick a liquid is. And we can see how thick a liquid is by seeing how easily it flows or pours. So thicker liquids take longer to freeze and have a lower freezing point. It needs to be much colder. So the highest viscosity will have the lowest freezing point.